Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to enable Hindi and Gujarati typing on your Windows PC. Whether you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10, the best part is you don't need to install any external software or apps. Everything is built right into Windows. Let's get started. First, let's see how to do this on Windows 11. Click on the Start menu and open Settings.
Go to Time and Language. Click on Language and Region. Under Preferred Languages, click on Add a Language. Now search for Hindi or Gujarati, whichever you want. Select the language and click Next, then click Install. Once installed, click on the three dots next to the language and go to Language Options. Under Keyboards, click Add a Keyboard. Choose Hindi Phonetic. Your language is added successfully. To switch between languages, press Windows key plus Spacebar, or click on the language icon in the taskbar and select your language. Now let's do the same on Windows 10. Click on Start menu and open Settings. Go to Time and Language. Click on Language from the left side. Click on Add a Preferred Language. Search for Hindi or Gujarati. Select it. Click Next. Then Install. Click on the language, then go to Options and choose Add Keyboard. Then, simply choose your preferred keyboard layout. To get started, make sure your keyboard layout is correct. Now, try switching to Phonetic. It's usually easier for beginners. That's it. Now you can easily type in Hindi and Gujarati on your Windows PC without any extra software. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.